This question belongs to computer network subject and was asked in GATE CSE 2014 Set 1. So the question states, which one of the following are used to generate a message digest by the network security protocols? Here we have four options: RSA, SHA-1, DES and MD5. So what is a message digest? Let us suppose this is the sender and this is the receiver. Now we are sending a message M from sender to receiver. Now it is possible that this message may get changed in between by our hacker H, and it will convert it to M dash. Now to prevent this, what we will do is that we will use a message digest, or you can say as D. So what we do is we pass this message M to a hash function which will convert it to a digest D. Now we will append both M and D and send them together. Now what receiver will do is that if it gets there can be two cases: either receiver gets the same message or receiver gets the corrupted message. So what receiver will do is that receiver will take the message, apply the same hash function and get our output D dash, and then it will compare D dash and D. If they both are same, then the message is correct. If they both are different, then the message is corrupted. Now let us see the options. So here first of all we have RSA. So RSA is basically a public key encryption and decryption algorithm. It's not used for message digest, it is used for encryption and decryption. What is SHA-1? So SHA-1 stands for secure hash algorithm. It is basically a cryptographic hash function. It produces 160 byte, or you can say 160 bit, or you can say, let me write it clearly, it produces 160 bit, or you can say 20 byte hash value, or you can say message digest. So when a message is given to SHA-1, it produces 20 byte message digest. So it is a message digest producing algorithm, a cryptographic hash function. What is DES? DES stands for data encryption standard. It is basically used for symmetric key encryption. So basically it is used for encryption and not hashing. So it is also false. MD5, message digest 5. It is the most widely used cryptographic hash function that produces a 128 bit hash value, or you can say message digest. So this is also a message digest producing algorithm or cryptographic hash function. So the answer to this question are 2 and 4 are true. So 2 and 4 are used to generate message digest by network security protocol. Answer is option C.